week. Una dey on my back. Every week. All big stinking bomber clot, stinking pussy blinger. Go find a fucking what do. Every day in a people bomber clot business, brother. I tear down people with a fucking platform. And I uno people respect. Me no respect none of blood clot uno be. I don't respect uno. Stop trying to tear me down and stop trying to tell lie upon me. Whatever issue you have with popcorn, it's 1 year now, it's gone. It's over with. Leave me alone, make me strive and survive. Everybody have a blood clot eat. I'm gonna jump back across the fucking border. Me nah make none of uno make me day and want eat and can blood clot eat. And me see too much potential in my fucking self. Go suck on a bomber clot mama and go take on a dirty bomber clot cruff thinking pussy pitney them. Me tired of uno. Leave me alone. You have a look of blood clot, son. He shall become a blood clot, cruff, dirty woman who come on my store yesterday. Because you come bring down my blood clot business, so let me bring down back your stinking son. Your pitney shall become the biggest blood clot Batman and cruff. Go suck your mother. Me tired of uno. Me tired of uno. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. You can imagine you work so hard. Brother, me I work from me at 18. Me at 18, me take myself and go dance. And me take myself out of strip club. And when me take myself out of strip club, me try my best to elevate myself every single time. And the more me I elevate myself, and the more me see uno dirty, stay bad, bomber clad, cursing, all big pussy, non-progressive, or I try to tear me down. What I try to tear me down for? What you not try to tear me down for? Why you not gonna tear down your dirty stinking son? Why you not gonna tear down your little so cocky son? What you tear me down for? As me open up my bomber clot store, you come and I attack me left right. What the blood clot you not take set pan? When I got blood clot take set pan on the dirty crosses pitney them. When I take set pan me for? You want somebody figure bully, you go bully a Batman son and leave me a blood clot alone. Cause me not trouble none of uno. Go take set pan on the dirty pitney them and left blood clot me alone. Leave fucking me alone. You left for your fucking yard and you left your hungry belly blood clot pitney and come up on my store and come look argument with me and come and tell me a blood clot like because you want to get fame off of my name. Go suck on no mother and stop blood clot follow me up. Enough is enough. I am tired. I'm tired. In one thing when young people, I see face to face and eye to eye, and them and them have an issue. But it's another thing when you not see nobody, you literally not have no issue with people you're there on, and people are come and look problem with you. They not try to say you're the bad guy. How you do it? How you do it? And I be a Jamaican woman, me notice stay like this. You bitter. That's why I tell people, say, brother, me no go party unless it's calculated. Because I not fight with none of blood clot, If a girl ever tested on a party, I be a blood clot lick you get. Because I not fight you either. Be a blood clot man lick you get. Me not ramp with none of uno. Uno too fucking corrupt and bad mind. You left your yard yesterday. I left your bomber clot, dirty cruff, stay bad pitney. As I should, and yard, right? You left your dirty pitney at your yard. As careless as a blood clot is. You left your dirty pitney at your yard. As some me go start this blood clot because you know no respect for me and my business and my livelihood, brother. My business and my livelihood. And you see, because I know the business woman that I am, it hurt me dearly. Because me know, say, me are not the kind of person for try for disrespect. No customer at all they come to me and me sell things to people from all walks of life. Me sell things to people from Tivoli. Me sell things to people from Havendale. Me sell things to people from upper some part or some place where me never did know say ever exist in a Jamaica. Some uptown place where me never know say exist. You hear me say? Me no want a body try to tear down my business. Me block you. And And everybody will come and buy from me. They can say, she don't disrespect nobody at all. When the beer they're not available, me take up my things them and carry it. Go give to customers. And that me do sometime. Because me want people to get them things. It's not because me need the money, but because me so care about the customer. I go my way for my customers. Don't come try and tell no lie for me and tear me down and talk about say me have attitude and me this and me that. Don't come try to tear down my business because you're insecure and workless and non-ambitious and not now go and fear. And then your remarks was that people like Lord Fashion for have blood clot store and if you lock down my store. How no blood clot do it, brother? How no do it? How una do it, brother? How una do it? How una get up every day and consider how una go tear down a next black woman? How una blood clot do it? How una do it? You will lose potential customers. Me not care if you go what me do for lose potential customers? What did I do? What did I do? Leave me alone. Leave me alone. I'm sick and I'm tired of Uno a tear me down. Leave me the fuck alone. Leave me alone. Look how long me ever post on Instagram and TikTok. Everything when me do Uno watch me like a hawk and consider how now go tear me down. Leave me alone else me go kill one a blood clot. Uno low blood clot me alone, you know. Go take care of your dirty stinking suckud son and left me alone, dirty woman. Uno leave me alone, man. Me tired of Uno now. Low blood clot me alone. Put your dirty blood clot pitney too. And me a walk come about. You should have stayed with that dirty blood clot gremlin here. And I come at my blood clot store, man. Where you come up there for? What the blood clot you come up there for can't look problem with me? Eh? Big pussy Shana, you cannot tell me how to feel. Me tired of Uno. I am tired. Leave me alone, Bamba wall. Left me alone. Leave me alone. Lord blood clot me alone. Go teach your dirty son not to become a cuff and a suck cocky batty man. Let me tell you something. You see, sometimes that's on a blood clot pitney they suffer so. Because you see the things they want to do to people, it lead back to no pitney them. You see, anyone I want to try for this, me and my bizarre tell lie upon me and tear me down, everything want to love. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Lord, blood clot me alone. You hear me? I want to do. And you see you girl, me make one police report about you. You see, any of me say come back up on my store, me I go fuck up your blood clot and me I walk with a knife with a blood clot name on the. You hear me say? Leave me alone and you can bring 1 million blood clot man come up there. Me not call nobody. Me want fuck you up myself. You hear that? Leave me alone, brother. No, leave me alone. The business avenue is free for every fucking body. You can take up your so-called son and carry him your mother and go get money because you see your man have money, a big box stinking chop up man have money. You can go get money for your so-called suck pussy man to go start a business. Enough shop the upper clock to our rent right now, right? You can get your 200,000 and your blood clot 300,000, right? And go rent from any one of them landlord there. You have place upper average tree. I rent for 5,000 US dollar. You can go get your money and go rent your business place. Why is it that me a come out and I tell me say me for close down my business because you have a embedded problem with me from however how much years ago and been a text me 1 year ago. Leave blood clot me alone and go take care of your dirty stinking so cocky son. Leave blood clot me alone and go take care of your big suck wood Batman son. Left blood clot me alone, drunker. And me come out and think fits the blood clot come out. Me come out your dirty suckud son. See me up on the phone. Left blood clot me alone. You hear me say? Me no want a body. I try tear me down and I tear down my business. I me no do none of uno. Nothing at all. Leave me alone. Me no blood clot. You no law blood clot me. I this one did want. Leave me alone. Law blood clot me alone. Me tired of uno. I mean, not careful, no say pick me off limits. Me a somebody too. Law blood clot me alone. Me not give a fuck. Uno leave blood clot me alone. Uno go crop up on uno life and leave me alone. Left me alone. Me tired of uno. You can't get up every day and I tear down people and then I come talk about off limits. Off limits my bomber clot. off limits where? Me and somebody pitney too. When I get up and I do them something to me. Me and somebody too. I want to send me for bomber clot put her up on my neck. Left blood clot me alone. You hear me say? Leave me alone. Go find somebody else to pick pan and bully and cow down. Left blood clot me alone. You know say where they want? Sell at other places. Sell at other places. And you take your dirty fuck out self and come up on my store to come tell lie upon me. Say me get bad customer service. Or that woman yeah, call me phone. I mean I show you how people wicked, you know. Me I show uno how people blood clot wicked. Right? Me no business who want say pitney off limits, bitch. You see, if you fuck around me, and me, I'ma tell you this. No pitney the off limits. If you know say you have a child, and you know say you respect your child and you love your child, may I tell you this, leave people alone. You see when time people tired. If you don't want to use this as more ammunition for tear me down, go tear me down. But I'm tired of you. Me no feel like say nobody should be this isolated. And when me say isolated, brother, I am very much isolated. To the point where me no go nowhere at all. And my business me come about. You hear me say? And still I have problem with people. On so intimidated by my existence. Me no sorry for no pitney. On the pitney can go near blood clot shit and dead for all I fucking care cause that do not send me figure blood clot do. You hear me say? Una no dirty so could pitney them. I don't give a blood clot, brother. Me tired of people, brother. Me tired of people. When me say me tired of people, me tired of blood clot, uno. Leave me alone, brother. You hear me? I want to do. Leave me alone. Nobody not supposed to be. Nobody not supposed to be so isolated and then in a problem with people. For what? For what? For what, bro? For what? For what exactly? You came about me yesterday because you're trying to look problem with people. You came deliberately about me yesterday because you're trying to look a problem to tell one bag of lie. You say me and nobody when I tear me down far. Why are you people tearing me down? And then come talk about say, pick me off limit. Yeah, your so good son can go suck more. Una leave me alone, brother. Go teach your son to stop so cocky. Allow me. Leave me alone. Me not trouble none of uno. Me not compound on the lie, brother. To all me not like mix up on problem. Me they even follow certain people on TikTok. Me stop follow certain people on TikTok. Me not go live when certain people send me request. Me don't accept it because me not want no drama with uno. And you left your yard with a big stable. You see a big stinking man. Yeah, your big stinking man left from your yard. Right? You left your so cocky son. You probably left him with a man for fuck out him look a batty. Because me no know what kind of woman have picked you and left them yard. What kind of big dirty careless girl. Somebody probably had fuck your son while they them a shop yesterday. Dirty bitch. Dirty workless bitch. Somebody probably had fuck your blood clot son while you come on my shop yesterday for call look problem with me. You don't even